For items such as struts and posts or anything else where you don't actually have a length and you just want to pick an item, like a post where we're just going to have a marker and give it a length and a size, we use the item command. Here we go, items. For this I'm going to use strut. Next, and then you can hear we've got text height of 2 mm, marker height of 3. Got all the normal values, and the markers in this case is a crosshair, 75 by 75, strut at the top here, tick for use height times width down the bottom, and 3.6 length. Now we could calculate all the values, so add up all your underpurlins and then divide by the span and give it a length, say 1.8. And you might have worked out you needed 9 struts at 1.8 or 9 struts at 3.6. Draw, and you can just put one symbol on the side here. I'll just right click here, cancel, and we've got strut 3.6 and there's 9 of them. The other way to do this would be to draw them individually, and once again to do that I will turn on the wall plates in the background. I could then go to my same command, strut, next, this might be 1.8, there's just one of each, draw, and I might just put these near where the struts are going to go. Whichever way suits you, there's no right or wrong. This way you can actually tell somebody exactly where you'd like the struts to be placed. Okay, just cancel that. If we look at these struts, we've just got strut 1.8. This is going to change in a moment. We're going to look at posts now. I'm going to go back to the trace setting, and we've got these posts around the carport. Item, strut, P for post. This time we're using a box marker, 100 by 100, 2.4 length, draw, and I'm going to use C for center because these are rectangles. So I'm just drawing a post on each of these. And there's our post done. Now if I just zoom in onto here, you can see this has got 100 by 100, 2.4. It hasn't got the word post there, where before we had strut, which didn't have the size, it just had strut and 2.4. This is taken care of in your settings. I don't have a word post here, but I have the user ticked. If I take the user tick out, which is the same settings that we had for the strut, and type in post, save, and I do that again, you can see we've got post 2.4, and this only works with it always puts the length in, but if you got the user ticked, it will also put the size in. So now we could have post, user, save, item, draw, and now we've got post 100 by 100, 2.4. So whichever way you want, it always saves the settings. So once you've got it set up once, that's the way it'll stay until you change it.